So today we'll be just following you around,
Okay.
having a look at what your day is like,
Okay.
and we will just be flies on the wall watching the extraordinary work you do as a nurse. So have you been long in the UAE?
Actually, I did my schooling and all in Kottayam only.
Okay.
Then I did my graduation from Bangalore.
Okay.
I started my career in with Narayana Hridayalaya Hospital. Then I moved to Saudi Arabia.
Oh.
Okay. After that, I got married. Then I moved to Dubai.
Yeah.
Then I joined in Aster in 2018. like
18.
that.
Okay.
Usually my day starts before, it starts 5 in the morning, and I used to get up for the work around 6:15, like that. Meanwhile, I need to finish all this household chores. Earlier it was easy because it was just me and my husband. Now the routine
Yeah,
has
you
changed.
have
I need
a-
to prioritize my son. For right now, my mom came for the vacation, so now she is taking care of everything. So
So you
I'm
have
just
help.
getting up and I'm just going for the duty.
Which is nice to have, especially I'm guessing that during this COVID-19 time, you are having a lot of busy days and extra taking care. So it must be nice to have some help also from your family.
Yes. Good morning. How many patients?
She's doctor, 8 patients, doctor.
8 patients. How many pediatric here?
Pediatric,
All pediatric patients?
no, 3 adults are there.
3 adult. No other complaints, anything?
No.
So this is the pediatric ward.
Okay.
From 501 to 514 pediatric ward. Then after that maternity
ward.
So I'll be taking the handover from both sides.
Okay.
Night shift and morning shift I will meet.
Okay.
So I can just
So that you can,
generalize. If any comments, anything, I can just tell them, or any instructions also I can give.
Okay.
Night duty, morning duty, we got an information that we have to take ECG for all the patients who is going for surgery.
I will just
Don't consider the age like 35, not about 35 or 40. You have to take for all the patients. Huh? We'll check the crash card daily basis.
Okay.
This is a crash card for emergency purpose.
Okay.
So we need to make sure that everything is ready. Usually when I come in the morning, I'll check all the equipments, any code were missing, everything is properly placed. Because they'll take care.
Yeah.
I will cross check also.
Cross-check everything.
Because it's all our costly equipments.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
I don't want
So
any.
do you have numbers or how?
Yeah, we have asset number. There is a checklist also.
Yeah.
Every staff will check in the morning.
And then you cross-check.
Yeah, because especially the equipments, maybe they cannot see also, like maybe one misplaced or any cord where power cord missing.
Yeah.
And I have to make sure that it is properly working in condition, because if any emergency comes that time,
And then,
we cannot.
we cannot see anything.
Maybe bad trailers or anything.
Yeah. This is like a medication.
This is our medication room, and here we prepare all the medications.
Okay.
So it has to be closed always.
Yeah.
We all have access to come
Yeah.
inside.
Yeah.
Hello, Lisa. Good morning. How are you?
Hello, good morning Fatima.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine. Okay. You are from Kerala?
Yes, Kerala.
എല്ലാം ഓക്കെ ആണോ?
എല്ലാം okay.
കുഴപ്പമൊന്നുമില്ല. രാത്രിയിൽ ഉറങ്ങിയോ?
ഉറങ്ങി.
So, as part of the COVID protocol, what are the extra steps that you take in the maternity ward?
Right now we are not entertaining any visitors.
Okay.
Okay, and old people and all, they can stay in the home itself.
Yeah.
And always we have to do the hand
San-
washing and sanitizing before taking the baby.
Yeah.
And we'll always cover up the baby. Yeah, that's all. And baby will be taking the breastfeed. That is
Okay.
more than enough.
So what if one of the mothers has tested for positive
Yeah.
when she comes in for delivery?
Yeah, if the mother is positive, means they'll be admitted in the 6th floor only. And
Okay.
baby we will be taking care here in the
So
floor.
you will separate the baby.
Yeah, but some bystander or the baby's next kin will be there with the baby.
Okay. Okay.
So they can be with the baby, and the express to breastfeed also we can give.
Okay.
So, and we will be taking care of the baby, and we will test the baby's COVID test also. at day of the, I mean, in this
Yeah.
day of 12 hours and 24 hours.
Okay.
Depends on the doctor's order. And if
Okay.
it is negative, we can discharge the
Have you
baby.
had any cases?
Yeah, we had.
Yeah.
We recently had 3, 4, 5 cases. We
But
had.
in all those cases, the babies didn't have.
Yeah, babies were not positive. Only the mothers, and also the mothers with asymptomatic, they can go home.
Okay.
With a home quarantine consent also we were taking.
Okay.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you, dear?
I'm good, sister. Tell me.
We met yesterday actually.
Yes.
So how is the baby now?
All good?
Good.
Yes.
Everything is fine. He's taking the feed, no?
Absolutely.
Okay, the cannula is fine.
Perfect.
Okay. He slept in the night or?
Oh yeah, he did sleep. He slept well. Only see patient number 11.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, Sit.
So, how are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Doing good.
Today we have 36 cases there. 15 adult and 15 newborn.
Okay.
Pediatric side 7 babies are there.
Okay.
Okay, all fine, ma'am. There was nothing special in the night. Like all were good.
Okay. Okay.
Anju, so how is the situation now?
Situation right now it's fine, sister. So we had sent 2 patients to the OT right now, and one more patient had come for OT. That case is at 1:30 p.m.
Just make sure that you are preparing it on time and you are sending the patient at half an hour before. Huh?
Okay, sure.
How do you wrap up? Like by the time you reach 3:30 p.m.,
Yeah.
what does the wrap up look like?
Morning we will be having a discussion with about all the patients.
Yeah.
Then there will be discharges also, new patients coming. So morning there is a team leader, afternoon also there will be a team leader, night also there will be a team leader. So I'll be communicating with them, and the team leader, I will inform them the next day duties, everything I will update. Then for till I reach tomorrow, what all things I have to done, I'll tell them. Like this has to be done, and
So do you keep in touch with them from
definitely,
home as well?
even after work also, I'll be having a phone, I'll be answering them. Definitely, I will answer them. Usually they are smart enough to handle, but still if they cannot manage, there is nursing supervisors, all 24 every time they are there. So if anything they want to ask me, they can definitely call me. I'll be always available.
So Anu,
Yeah.
we've had a great time following you, following your day. So hopefully we have done justice to the extraordinary work all of you doing yours.
Thank you.